What's up, guys? Ruben from EsquireLife.com coming at you with another quick video. Guys, I'm excited to bring you this unboxing. If you guys see from my last video, I actually bought the Cartier Santos blue dial PVD with the blue bezel. I'm a big blue guy. I love blue. But before I even get into the actual the watch itself, I want to go over and talk about Cartier. Okay, I've known Cartier for a long time, and I've never been a Cartier person. You know, I was always a Rolex person. I was a Louis Vuitton person, and so and so. You know, I work very hard for what I purchase, and I want to make sure I get quality. But ever since I went to Cartier, I'm telling you what, guys, their customer service is above and beyond any of those other establishments that I've ever been to. Even better than Rolex AD. You know, and everybody knows what's going on with Rolex AD. Not saying what's wrong, but everybody knows what's going on with them. And you know, yeah, there's certain things, and I don't want to get into it. If you guys want to know a little bit more, go back to my past videos. You'll see there. But I tell you what, even ADs have never treated me like this. I've actually walked into AD shops and they've laughed at me and said, ha, "You ain't getting that watch. Nobody's getting that watch." Where I walked into Cartier and they took me serious. They went above and beyond to actually get me this watch. And a little bit about the watch, guys. There was only 2 of these PVD in the United States. In the United States, 2. And I have 1 of them. The other one's actually in Miami, Florida. But that goes to show you, you know, when you ask for something, you know, Cartier goes above and beyond to find it. Richard, the guy that works at Cartier, love the guy, man. He's amazing. I used to work with him with Royal Maui. If you guys saw some of my videos, he actually worked with Royal Maui. So he's the one that sold me my Rolex Wimbledon Datejust. But yeah, he went above and beyond, and he made sure he didn't sleep until he found me this watch. You see what I'm saying? Like, it was in California. I don't know what he did behind the scenes, but he called me on Wednesday and said, "Hey Ruben, the watch is here. I have it right here in my hand." And I'm like, oh my God, it just felt so surreal. And I said, you know what? I'm on my way. And you guys saw the previous video that I did, and the whole purpose of this video, guys, is to do an actual official unboxing. I don't want to go ahead and delve back to what happened in the video, but I just want to thank Richard. I just want to thank Cartier for the customer service. Oh my God, I'm telling you, I have never received such good customer service like I have in Cartier. You know, I've purchased Bentleys, I've purchased Porsches, I've purchased Rolexes, I've purchased Audemars Piguets, Panerais. Never once have I got treated like they did Cartier. So, not that I'm trying to influence you guys to go to Cartier, but walk in there. You know, go to a Cartier boutique and just, you know, start talking to them, be inquiring about what's on there, and you'll see, guys, they go above and beyond. They're not pushy salesmen like other ones. You know, but anyway, guys, so what I want to do today, guys, is I want to go ahead and do an unboxing on the actual Cartier Santos PVD. Before I go into it, one of the things that Richard gave me was a watch carrier. So once again, little things that above and beyond. Now, in the watch carrier is the actual rubber strap that goes with it. To be honest with you, I don't like it. I don't like it. Not because of the fact that it's not good quality, but I don't know. I mean, if you're buying a watch of this caliber, honestly, this is it doesn't make me want to put this on. There's nothing wrong with the quality, by the way. Beautiful quality. It has a quick release, the actual strap, so you can interchange the actual the straps. But what I did is I actually ordered the alligator strap. So it's an alligator strap, blue. That way it matches the actual PVD. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side for now. And like I said, here is the carrying case that he provided for me. He actually gave me another one for my wife as well. Here's the bill. But I don't even want to look at the price. I can't wait to get the first bill on this. But anyway, yeah, it's gonna be a crazy day when I get that first bill. But just to show you guys, look at the quality of the envelope they give it to. You see what I'm saying? Look at this. Here's Richard's card right here. Here's my receipt. But just to show you guys the quality of materials, the quality of basically marketing that they do. Because once again, I want to feel special. And even just having this little envelope here that says Cartier and it has the same feel as the bags, same feel as everything, it just makes everything go to the next level, guys. So what I want to do, right, guys, real quick, is I want to go ahead and do an unboxing on here. I definitely want to give you guys a close-up shot of how beautiful this actual wrapping paper is. Shout out to the person that actually wrapped this. If you guys see, there's pleats on here. And those pleats remind me of a tuxedo, like the tuxedo shirt that has the pleats. Maybe those are old style, but I love it. That reminds me. And then one of the things, guys, check this out, guys. They didn't put tape. They actually put wax. And in that hot wax, they actually stamped the Cartier logo on there, on both sides. So this is one of the reasons why I haven't opened up this box yet, because it is so beautiful. I mean, I wish I could just wear the watch like this and just show off. Guys, look at what Cartier does for you. Once again, guys, no other company in the world has treated me like Cartier, guys. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and unbox this, and then we'll go from there. Just to show you the hot wax with the Cartier stamp on there. Look at the pleats. Look how beautiful this is. Imagine them wrapping a Christmas present. You could just imagine what this would look like. Amazing. Now, before I open it, guys, I just want to give you a little fun fact. I'm a big Mont Blanc writing instrument person. I love a good quality pen, but come to find out, Mont Blanc is actually part of Cartier. I didn't know that. You know, so when I was at the actual boutique, Richard had told me, goes, oh, I like your Mont Blanc. You know, that's Cartier, right? And I'm like, what do you mean it's Cartier? He goes, yeah, that's part of the company. He hadn't mentioned the company that owned both of them, but I'm like, wow. You know, but once again, not only did I have a great experience, I actually learned a little bit of knowledge. And another thing too, and once again, I don't want to get too much about the watch, but Cartier Santos was the actual first pilot watch. Obviously, Cartier de Santos, you know, was a pilot, and what they did is they actually made them the first wristwatch. So there's a lot of history behind it, and don't quote me on the story, guys. I'm just excited for having this watch, and you know, because back in the day, people used pocket watches, and it was hard for him to steer and look at his pocket watch, so they actually made the first Cartier Santos on a wristwatch. So as he's flying, you know, he could look over at his wrist and actually watch his actual time, I guess. Look at the time. So, guys, I'm excited. So I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm going to put this pen down, but I am, oh my God, I don't want to open this up. I don't want to open this up. This is so beautiful. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and open this up, and let's check out what's inside. Alright, so I'm excited now to open this up, just to get you a close-up shot. I mean, look how amazing the wrapping is. Look at that. Like I said, this reminds me of a tuxedo from back in the 80s, the tuxedo shirts. But, oh man. And I just kept the Mont Blanc here just for aesthetics, because once again, it comes from the same company. Look at that. Look how elegant that looks right there. So what I want to do is, honestly, I don't know which way is which. I'm just going to assume that the pleats go towards me, but if I haven't opened wrong, then I guess we're going to go from there, because I only have one chance to open this up. So let's do this, guys. I think I'm ready. I'm excited. I need to see it. I haven't seen the watch since I purchased it on Saturday. So let's do it. Let's do it. Here we go. So I'm going to carefully pull this off. And oh my God, dude. Oh my God, this is good. I don't want to mess this up. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. I'm pulling it off slowly. I want to make sure I keep this. I just don't want it break off. All right, here we go, here we go. Okay, that's one. Whew. All right, so now I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to see if I can get this all in one piece real quick. So look at that. You can see the Cartier. Let me see if I can get the camera to pick it up. There it is right there. Look how beautiful that looks. I wish I was there so I can see how they pour the wax on there, but let me see if I can get this one off in one piece. Oh, this one came off easier. Right there. You guys are seeing this for the first time as myself, so yeah, hopefully you guys are excited as me. All right, done. Done. The wax tabs, I guess what they call them, I don't know. This is fancy for me, guys. It's just like too much for me, but here we go, guys. Let's see. Let's just slowly. I'm very dramatic, I guess. I'm gonna pull this up. What is this, parchment paper? I'm just trying to figure out how they did it. I might have to start doing this for Christmas presents. So if you're on my Christmas present list, you might be getting not a Cartier, but you might be getting some wrapping paper. Oh my, this is stuck. Oh, they got double. Oh, there it is, guys. There it is. My long-awaited Cartier Santos PVD. Let's go ahead and take this off. There it is. I'm gonna center this. Look at the beautiful box. I don't want to throw this away. I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna put this to the side for now. You guys heard I just slammed it on there. But here we go, guys. You guys are watching this the same time I'm seeing this as well. Obviously, I saw it in person when I purchased it at Cartier, but let's check it out. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, there's the Cartier box. You can see the Santos right here. I have the book. And slide this forward. Oh my God. Feels like Christmas. Now, the reason I bought this is because it's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. So I'm going to take care of this. So this was my birthday present. This is my birthday present that I gave to myself for all the hard work that I've done in life. I don't come on this channel to show off. I'm not here to tell you that I'm better than you. No. I'm here to show you that with hard work, everything pays off tremendously, tenfold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the famous Cartier button right here. That just released it. And there it is, guys. Let me pull this out. Oh my God. Look at this. Wow. Holy crap. I'm going to get some close-up shots for you guys here in a second. But, oh man, let's see what else is on here. Let me put this to the side for now. And I know there's a little trap box in here. So as you see, there's the Cartier care card. There's my warranty card right there. So everything's good. There's my links. Let me see. Oh, there's a little plastic that goes on top. That's cool because when I'm not using this, I can actually come in here and just put that on here. Because I have a watch case. And sometimes my watch bangs against each other, so I'm glad they gave me this piece right here. Looks like there's a little screwdriver right there, a little tool, which is pretty cool. And then here are the links. Where'd it go? Here are the links they took off. So they actually took 3 links off for me. But like I said, guys, this is the first time me seeing this watch since I purchased it. So please forgive my excitement. I know I sound like a little kid that just got a new toy, but once again, this is my birthday present. But let's go ahead and go back. Let me put this back on here. Even the quality build of this box. Look at this. Let's hear the click. Oh, let's check it out. So here is the Cartier Santos PVD. Oh, look at this. Wow. You know what? Let's do this, guys. Let me get some zoomed in shots of this watch because look at that. I can't even speak, man. This is amazing. Let's check it out. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's just classic. It's elegant. You know, it reminds me of a jewelry. Well, basically, it's a jewelry box, but it does remind me of classy 1940s. You know, trunks. There you go, the trunks, like the trunks that you saw like on Titanic. I don't know. I'm super excited, guys. Enough about me trying to give you a history lesson about luggage and trunks. But let's look at this beautiful Cartier PVD blue dial with the actual blue bezel. Now, one of the biggest things, guys, that is from what I've read and what I've seen some videos is everybody's always concerned about the bezel because it is polished stainless steel and people are saying it scratches easily, and that's okay. That's okay. But this is one of the reasons why I went with the PVD. Yeah, it still can get damaged. Obviously, if you bang it hard enough, you probably even break the actual glass. But just to show you guys, I'm amazed. I'm gonna put this on. I haven't put this on since the boutique. So let me put this on real quick. Actually, one of the little poppers came out. Look at that, guys. And that's one of the reasons why I'm wearing a suit. You can see blue on blue, cord on blue. But let's check it out, guys. Let's put this on. Oh my God, look how exciting this looks. Look how exciting this looks, guys. So check this out. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. I know I'm all over the place. I'm not here to give you the specs on the millimeters and all that. I'm just here to give you guys my opinion on Cartier now. Am I a Cartier customer for life? Hell yes, I am. I'm actually looking at the skeleton. I'm actually looking at the actual the two-tone, the Cartier two-tone. More of a dressy watch. This is going to be more of a sportier, but look at it. Look at the way I'm dressed. You see what I'm saying? This will complement anything. If I were to put on a t-shirt, jeans, or some shorts and some sneakers, believe it or not, this watch would go with it. But right now, the way I'm dressed, I got a suit jacket. I got my pocket squared. It always, there it is. Guys, if you guys know, every time I wear a pocket square, it always falls in. This is why every time you see me wearing a pocket square, it sticks out, because by the time it pops back in, it hides on me. But just to show you guys, I got my pocket square. Anyway, got my pocket square, got my white shirt on. But look at this, guys. Amazing, 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 guys. So, once again, guys, thank you to Cartier. Thank you to Richard. Thank you for making this experience the best experience that I've ever had, especially on my birthday. Like I mentioned, this is my birthday watch. I bought myself something for my birthday because I deserve it. Not because it's my birthday, but because I work hard and I deserve everything that I have. And that's what my channel's for you guys to actually go out there and work and achieve. You know, I'm not here to show off, and I'm not here trying to tell you that I have more money than you. No, not at all. I'm here to let you guys know that put in the effort and everything comes to you triple fold. So guys, once again, this is Ruben from EsquireLife.com. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for coming to my journey from switching from Rolex to Cartier. If you guys see there, look, there's all my Rolex boxes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actually levels of just Rolex boxes. I have a lot of Rolexes, but once again, I'm done. I'm switched. I'm switching to actual Cartier because you buy the person, you don't buy the item. And because Richard took care of me and went once again above and beyond the Call of Duty, he earned my business for life. So guys, thank you so much once again. Let me sign off now before I go on too long. Ruben from EsquireLife.com. We will talk to you guys soon. Peace.